Welcome to ME 172. I am Brother Schellenberg and am one of the faculty members at BYU Idaho who helped develop this course. This is an exciting class that will help you obtain basic mechanical design skills using SOLIDWORKS, which is a world-class computer-aided design application for mechanical engineering. To give you an idea of the capability of this application and to help you get excited about the class, I want to introduce you to a project I recently completed with two of my sons. We used SOLIDWORKS to design this 6-wheel amphibious ATV, which incorporates a hydraulic drive system. Here's the ATV inside the SOLIDWORKS CAD application. SOLIDWORKS enabled us to design all of the individual components and assemble them to be sure they would fit together and function properly. The suspension components you see here in this cross-section are good examples of how SOLIDWORKS helped us figure out even the smallest details. It even enabled us to create many drafting drawings like these, which we used when we were in the shop manufacturing all of the components. Now that you've been introduced to the amazing capability of SOLIDWORKS, let's talk about how the ME 172 course is set up. The mission of the course can be summarized in three main course objectives. First, you will learn the concepts and strategies needed to create 3D parametric models of individual mechanical components. Second, you will then be able to put these components together into 3D parametric assemblies of mechanical systems. And third, you will be able to read, interpret, and create ANSI standard mechanical drawings. Let me give you an overview of how the course is structured to help you achieve these goals. This table shows the 14 units you will be completing throughout the semester. They are divided into a basic section, an intermediate section, and an advanced section. Notice how the basic section contains units designed to help you learn a basic level of each of the course objectives, including basic drafting, basic modeling, and basic assemblies. The intermediate section is designed to add to your basic knowledge in each of these three objectives by expanding your understanding of modeling, assemblies, and drafting. The advanced section is designed to deepen your mastery even further in modeling and assemblies. Let me draw specific attention to Unit 11. This unit will give you the opportunity of proving your basic competency by taking the official Certified SOLIDWORKS Associate exam and having the chance to become CSWA certified. Your performance on this exam is worth up to 15% of your final grade. Unit 14 at the end of the semester will provide the exciting opportunity to take the official Certified SOLIDWORKS Professional exam, giving you the chance to become CSWP certified. This final exam is worth up to 10% of your final grade in the class. You will find the associate level exam to be basic and straightforward. My hope is that all of you will pass it and obtain the associate level certification. The professional level certification, on the other hand, is very challenging. In truth, it only contains a few new concepts beyond the CSWA. The main difference is that it requires you to truly have mastered all of the concepts in a very deep way. Shallow learning just won't cut it if you want to pass this exam. I hope you choose to challenge yourself this semester and prepare well for this exam, because the professional level certification will be an incredible feather in your cap and could lead to some great employment opportunities. Now let me take a minute to highlight the extra credit opportunities available in this class. You will notice that most weeks include an optional extra credit assignment to help you deepen your learning. Each of them is worth an extra 1% on your final grade. You will notice that there are a total of 10 extra credit assignments throughout the semester. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Totaling 10% extra credit available in this class, which means your final grade could be as high as 110% at the end of the semester. I suggest you complete all of the extra credit assignments to make sure you are ready for the professional level certification exam. This extra credit will also help boost your final grade in case you don't do as well as you hope on the final professional level certification exam. Now let me dive a little deeper and show you how a typical week is structured. All of the content, assignments, and video training are embedded into the BYU Idaho iLearn system. Let's use week 4 on basic modeling as an example. If we expand on week 4, we will see that it contains 6 required assignments, each of which is worth 1% of your final grade, totaling 6%. There's also one optional extra credit assignment available, which could provide up to 1% extra credit to your final grade, resulting in a total for the week of 7% credit available toward your final grade, 6 required percentage points, and 1 extra credit percentage point. I strongly recommend that you exercise self-mastery and stay on pace with the progress of the class. Since there are 6 required assignments each week, you should plan on completing 1 assignment every day. The first assignment should be completed on Monday, the second on Tuesday, the third on Wednesday, the fourth on Thursday, the fifth on Friday, and the 6th on Saturday. Saturday is also the ideal time to complete the extra credit assignment, which allows you to rest on the Sabbath day and be spiritually rejuvenated. I have found in my personal life that I always performed better in academic and work assignments when I treated the Sabbath as a holy day. The due dates which have been set up in iLearn are designed to encourage you to stay on pace with the class while allowing some wiggle room for special circumstances. Therefore, the first half of each week's assignments are due by the end of the day each Wednesday, while the last half of each week's assignments are due by the end of the day each Saturday. A late penalty is built into the iLearn course, which will automatically deduct 2% from each assignment for every day it is late, up to a 50% maximum deduction. This late penalty is designed to motivate you to stay on pace. Please don't get behind. If you do, it will begin a downward spiral of getting more and more behind, which will result in a miserable semester. Since all of the content is open in iLearn, feel free to get ahead. Being ahead in a class brings a wonderful feeling of self-confidence. I sincerely hope you have a wonderful and successful semester. Throughout my career as a mechanical engineer, I have used several CAD applications and have found that SOLIDWORKS truly is world-class.